Science without
Religion is lame. Religion without
science is blind. Pure mathematics is, in its way, the poetry of logical ideas. Technological progress is like an axe in the hands of
a pathological
criminal. If you are out to
describe the truth, leave elegance to
the tailor.
Intellectuals solve
Problems, geniuses
prevent them.
I have no special talent. I am only passionately
Curious. We still do not know 1,000th of 1% of what
nature has revealed
to us. It is the supreme art
of the teacher
to awaken joy in
creative expression
and knowledge.
Whoever is careless with the truth in small matters cannot be trusted with important matters.
The important thing is
not to stop questioning.
Curiosity
has its own reason
for existing.
The value of a man should be seen in what he gives, and not in what he is able
to receive.
Any man who reads
too much
and uses his own brain
too little
falls into lazy habits of thinking